Oh, y'all are crazy. You wore me out this morning. I cannot wait to eat my lunch. I wonder what Mr. Stanley left me for lunch today. What is this? Looks like Mr. Stanley left me some Kit Kats. I wonder how many Kit Kats this is. If I wanted to tell someone how many Kit Kats I had for lunch right now, it looks like I would need to tell them that I had a couple of whole Kit Kats, and I also had parts of a Kit Kat too. What's an easy way to tell someone that I have parts of a Kit Kat and wholes of a Kit Kat? Oh, I know! I would just write a mixed number. A mixed number is just a quantity with a whole number and a fractional part. Just like my lunch up here. We write our mixed numbers like this. There's a whole number, and then right next to the whole number is a fraction. So let me figure out my whole number and my fractional part for how many Kit Kats I have. Let's do it together. The easiest thing to figure out is my whole number. How many Kit Kats do I have? How many whole Kit Kats do I have? Well, let me just count how many Kit Kats are already still wrapped. 1, 2. Okay, so then my whole number would be 2. I have 2 Kit Kats. Now we have to figure out the fractional part, but do not get tricked, okay? When we figure out the numerator of our fraction, we count how many pieces we have. I see 1, 2, 3 pieces, so that means my numerator is going to be 3. For my denominator, I need to figure out how many pieces are in a whole Kit Kat. How many pieces are in one whole Kit Kat? Just in case you don't know how many pieces are in a Kit Kat, let's open it up to figure out. If I open my Kit Kat, I see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. That means my denominator would be 4 because there are 4 pieces in one whole. So that means my denominator would be 4. In order to describe my lunch using a mixed number, I would say I had 2 3/4 Kit Kats. But wait, what if I wanted to tell someone my lunch using an improper fraction instead of a mixed number? What would I do? Well, I would just open up those 2 whole Kit Kats and count how many pieces I have all together. I still have a 4 as a denominator because I know that there are 4 pieces in one Kit Kat, but let's find out the numerator together. Okay, so we know our denominator is 4, like we just said, because one whole Kit Kat is 4 pieces. But then I need to count how many pieces I have for my lunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Don't worry, I took a bite of this. Don't worry about that. We have 11 pieces in total. So that means our improper fraction is going to be 11/4. Look at that, you guys. We have 2 ways to represent the same amount of Kit Kats. One way is with a mixed number, and one of them is with an improper fraction. Both 2 3/4 and 11/4 represent the same thing. I hope this was a helpful example, you guys. Let's get some more practice in. We're going to have a bunch of PowerPoint slides that we're going to go through. So let's do it. How do I have so much energy now, you guys? Let's see if we can do some more problems so that you can figure out how to get improper fractions and mixed numbers on your own.